Hello there. This is Jenkins Masida from Ava Tester Studio, and I just wanted to make a quick short video because it seems that my camera did not recall the colors that I use. I thought my camera was on and it wasn't good for me. So I don't want to make this video without giving you details around the kind of color I use, my ratios, and other cool stuff. Because I feel as an artist, we have to share our techniques, our recipes, so that others can also experiment to see whether they can replicate the result that we have or probably get something better. Okay, so for this paint, again, I'm doing a very series of bigger projects. As you can see behind me, I have a couple of big works that are still curing. Been weeks now. I haven't finished them yet. But I have a big project that I'm working on, potentially for an art museum that's going to be loaning my projects to my work to corporations or companies across Boston and New England. So, so I'm excited. I think this will give me an opportunity to work with bigger pieces that I have not worked with before. So great. So the next couple of videos from my YouTube channel will look at some of the works we're doing around that. So for my color for this piece, actually there are two pieces that I did over the past 2-3 days. I did one over the weekend and I did one yesterday after work. Basically that was the leftover paint from the previous pour that I did yesterday. So I'm just going to walk you through the colors that I use. Number one, I use a couple of paints from Liquitex. This is fluorescent blue. It's a beautiful color. It's on sale right now at Michael's. I also use bright aqua green, also on sale at Michael's. If you have a Michael's by you right now, if you have the coupon of vouchers, go and use it. I also have turquoise blue here, also on sale. And the last one from Michael's, Liquitex, is actually, I can see, I need your glasses. It's light blue permanent. I was a permanent light blue permanent, whatever. All right, that's it for Liquitex. And then I also use cerulean blue from Winsor & Newton, also on sale at Michael's. And for my darker colors, blue colors, I use Pines Gray from Golden, Phthalo Blue from Golden. And for the Pines Gray from Golden, I mix that with the other brand that I always use, Creating Inspirations. You can get this from Jerry Atarama online, similar Blake's Art Materials. But Jerry's, yes, Creating Inspirations, you can see Creating Inspirations. They have a bunch of colors. I love their colors because it's not too thick, it's not fluid, it's not too soft, so it's a good mix. I like using it, and besides the performance-wise, in terms of how they react to other paint, they are very seriative. One other paint that I used from Creating Inspirations was the metallic gold. I always suggest you put a metallic paint in your pour. If you're doing a painting, try to put at least one metallic paint there. They are very good at reacting to cells. Creating cell effects or lacings. And for my white, I use this paint. It's a white paint, blanc in French, from Artist Loft, also from Michael's. It's on sale. I bought 2 of those. And I mixed that with satin enamel, 50% ratio. Okay. And for my pour medium, I give credit to Molly Artistry. She has some great video when I first started doing acrylic pouring. I watched tons of videos and other artists on YouTube, and I tried to do my research. I have a huge, like 10-page recipe cheat sheet that I use, and I always update that. Okay. I need to update that with my blooms recipes. Okay, so yeah, so for my pour medium, I use 1,000 milliliters of US Floetrol, and then I mix that with 500 milliliters of GAC 800. Now, I didn't use all of that in my pouring. I just pre-mix them, keep it in a container, and then when I'm painting, I measure to the to the measurement of what I'm doing. So that is the ingredient for the pre-mixed pour medium: 1,000 milliliters of US Floetrol and 500 milliliters of GAC 800. And then once I'm ready to paint, once I'm ready to mix my paints, depending on how I want my consistency to be, what a very thin paint, I will do 1 to 3, 1 part paint, 3 part pour medium, the pre-mixed pour medium. If I want it to be, let's say, not too thick, not too thin, I'll do 1 to 3. If I want it very thick, I'll do 1 to 1, 50% ratio. And I usually do my thicker paint with my ring pull because I like the rings to hold up together nicely. So that's it. So this video, as you're about to watch, is a result of that. And I will be doing a couple, maybe, I have a little daughter, so I don't have the pleasure of coming online when I'm doing my videos because she'll interrupt, which is cool, but not so cool. Because now I have to be daddy and also try to speak to my audience. So I think I would just do short videos like this within, when I'm doing my painting. So I hope you like this painting, this painting, just one. The second one that I did will be up next, hopefully next week. But yeah, that's it. Again, thanks for watching. Please like the video, make comments. If you would like to see something, let me know. I'm your guy. Bye-bye.